Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Gmail ads, mobile app ads and video ads using Google Ads. Now let's see how to create that all those things. So let's get started. Gmail ads, video ads and then mobile app ads. First of all, let us see this Gmail ads. Gmail ads means where your ad appears. So Gmail ads, your ad appears in Gmail account. Okay. Have you ever noticed ads in your Gmail?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So where you have
Promotions.
okay, yes, promotions and social, right?
Yeah.
So now normally in the inbox, do you receive any kinds of ads in the inbox?
Yeah, there will be
Yes, ma'am.
ads.
Like we'll see so many ads coming.
Ads in inbox, sure.
Yes, ma'am. Like not
Like
exactly,
it
but
will
we
be
know.
not email, but it will be like separate kind of what can we say, kind of banner something, and it will
If we
display
just
like
open it, like they'll
Yeah.
have the information.
Yes. Do remember that there are two things. One thing is a email marketing and one more thing is a Gmail ads. So now whatever the emails that you are receiving right away in your inbox, those are normal emails only sent by a person or else sent by a business who are doing some email marketing.
yeah,
Okay, so in the inbox you won't see that kind of ads. So when you use this social and promotions, okay, can you see the top one?
ad.
Ad, second Fluent Life, ad, promotions, Bluehost and Google Ads, Edureka, right? So now these are ads done with the help of Google Ads. Again, when I can see some emails in the inbox, those are done with the email marketing tools. It's completely different again. Okay,
Okay.
so now social and promotions, the ads you can see directly in social and promotions that you can create with the help of Google Ads. And here, if you put a cursor, it will show you. So this is an ad from a Google. Now if I click this, so it will show you a image as well, and it is giving you some call to action button. So when if you click this shop now or else click here, so you'll be redirected to that website. So they have one image as well. In such a way, you have if you want, you can have a video and images as well, and as well as text also. So now, if you create a Gmail ads, your Gmail ad will be getting into the social and promotions of your targeted audience. Okay. Now let us see how we can create this Gmail ads. So campaign. So which one should I choose now?
Uh,
Create a campaign without a goal guidance.
Yes. Now which one should I choose?
Hmm.
So now what type of ad it is? So I'm just opening and I can see a banner ad here. So what type
Yes, ma'am.
of network I have to
Display.
choose now? Display network.
Yes.
Next, so smart display,
okay,
standard display, and Gmail
Gmail
campaign.
campaign.
Gmail
Which
campaign.
so Gmail campaign. So we know what is this standard display and smart display again. Okay, we have
Yes, ma'am.
created a display network by using this standard display.
Standard display.
Then select the results you want to get from this campaign. So you need to give the website address. So your website address. Continue. Okay, so name your campaign now. In location, so you just need to location, you choose a location. So we already in the what is meant by location. Then language, then bidding. So bidding type can be clicks or impressions, you can choose any one of this. So as of now I'm just going to choose manual CPC. Then enter the average you want to spend each day. What does it mean?
How much budget like every day you want to spend for our in per day?
Per day, how much you want to spend. Then ad rotation. So prefer the best performing ad. Then ad schedule. If you want to schedule your ad like exact Saturdays or Mondays or exact timings, you can schedule. Starting and end dates, when you want to start your ads and when you want to end. Then show on all devices, so in which device you want to show exactly. If you want, you can just choose the location as well. The next comes your ad group.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am.
So to target all Gmail users, don't add targeting of keywords, audience, and demographies. Okay. So if you are targeting any kinds of Gmail users, so no need of using these keywords and all. Okay. So if you use this and all, so it won't run again. The next thing is that automated targeting. Conservative automation, no automated, and aggressive automation. Now let us assume that in my targeted thing, so 100 people have come. Okay, 100 people, 1,000 people have come under my targeting thing. So when I choose this conservative, aims to get more customer likes the one you have targeted. So apart from this 1,000 audience, okay, it is going to reach out the audience who are similar to my audience. Okay, so who are similar to my targeted audience, it is going to reach when I choose this option. So when I choose this no automated targeting, use only the targeting you have set yourself. So whatever the targeting I have set for myself, only that audience I'm going to reach, no other similar audience and all. When I choose this aggressive automation, it is going to reach out wide audience irrespective of my targeted audience. Aims to get as many customers as possible in your target per amount, like current cost per amount. So it is a definite question for when you go for the interview. So do remember what are the different kinds of automated targeting options available. So always it is better to go with the conservative automation. It is recommended. So if you want to save money by not showing the ads to the similar audience, then you can choose this. No problem. Then ad group bit. How much you want to spend per click.
Ma'am, conservative is best, no, ma'am. Then, like, it will
Do you
just.
want me to repeat?
No,
The next thing is that create your ads. Now it's time to create ads. Gmail ads and upload a Gmail ads. Okay, so business name. So can you see the preview of my ad on mobile phones? So please open your Gmail account now itself and click on social and promotions and tell me whether you can see ad like this or not. Now I can select the assets like images or videos. So let me select an image. So I'm going to scan my website. So done. So congratulations, your campaign is ready.
Oh,
So easy, isn't it?
looks
yes,
easy.
ma'am.
Very easy. So because you don't have a lot of targeting options to choose,
Yeah.
so you just choose the locations and then you choose the targeting option, bidding. That's it. Video ads. So video ads means YouTube ads. Your ad appears in
YouTube.
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 And what is the bidding type?
Cost per view.
Cost per view. Then next, what is the
Video.
format of ad? Video format.
Video. Video
Okay.
Yes.
format.
So before getting into these YouTube ads, let me explain you few things. Okay. Now tell me what you open a video YouTube and tell me what are the different kinds of ads you have noticed till now.
Like before
Banners.
the video opens, skippable and unskippable ads.
Skippable ads, non-skippable ads, bumper ads,
The video which appears below the video thing, it is, what is that called, ma'am?
non-skippable bumper ads, discovery ads, and ad sequence also.
Hi everyone, I'm Em.
Hi Ripu, hi. So skippable, these are the different kinds of ad formats. So when you know the difference between all these kinds of formats only, now you can decide which type of format best suitable for you. Skippable ads means you already know. So the video will be played for 5 seconds and you will be getting an option like a skip, so where you can skip that, right? And non-skippable means it is not as it is kind of you won't be able to get an skippable option, so you have to see. Got it? So it will be like at least 6 seconds, not 6 seconds, I can say it will be like a normal is 10 seconds, you have to watch it for 10 seconds. But whereas bumper ad means it is a very short ad. Okay, so for this bumper ad also there is nothing thing like a skippable option. There is no skippable option. So it lasts for 6 seconds only. So this bumper ad is used for short and memorable kinds of message oriented kinds of videos. If you want to create that kinds of videos, you can choose this bumper ads. Okay, and then discovery ads means when you are searching something in a YouTube. So have you ever noticed ads on top when you're
Yes.
searching on YouTube?
Yeah.
So those are called discovery ads. Okay, when you're exploring a YouTube, so at that time, so the ads that shows you, it is called discovery ads. The next thing is called ad sequence. So after one ad, suddenly one more ad starts showing you. So
Yes.
have you ever noticed this kind
Yes,
of thing?
ma'am. Yeah.
So this is called ad sequence. Ad sequence is best suitable for product kind of ads. Now let's say I have an Amazon website. So at that time I can choose this ad sequence so that I can show the ad of my products. After one product, one more product. After one product, one more product. So in such a way, sequence of ad. If you want to create that kinds of format, then you can choose this. Okay, so skippable, non-skippable, bumper ads, discovery ads, and ad sequence. These are the different kinds of ad formats available for the YouTube. Now let us get into the dashboard and try to create the YouTube ads. Okay.
Ma'am, nowadays, like from last 2 weeks, I'm observing this YouTube ads video. A lot of people are creating how to create YouTube ads and all.
How to create?
YouTube ads.
Mm-hmm.
Means like people like me who have started just now.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have good content and you believe you will get good audience, you can promote yourself through this.
Promote yourself, so you'll get, even we run ads for ODMT channel, and
Okay.
it just costs like a once for one subscriber 100 rupees.
Oh my God. One
Yes.
subscriber, 100 rupees.
Yes, we got one subscriber for each and every 100 rupees. Okay, so which one should I choose now?
Video.
Video. So here comes different kinds of campaign subtypes. So if you choose this custom video campaign, you can create a skippable instruments, bumper ads, and video discovery ads.
Okay.
If you choose this non-skippable ads, you can create a non-skippable ads. Outstream, this is especially for the phones and tablets. Okay, if you want to show your ad only on phones and tablets, you can choose this. Okay, And then comes to drive conversions. Drive conversions means it is also one kind of ad format, like skippable or bumper. You can create anything, but if you want to drive a conversions in your website, then you can choose this. Then final thing is that ad sequence. Tell your story like in a sequence manner. Then shopping. So if you have a now shopping website like Amazon and Flipkart, so you can choose this kind of format. So again, it depends on you what is the best platform suitable for you. You can choose it. So as of now, let's go with these kind of video campaign. So that what happens if you go with this non-skippable and bumper ads, you should have a exact 15 seconds and then 6 seconds videos. Then only that format will accept. Otherwise, no. Okay. So again, non-skippable and then skippable. Sorry, it's a 15 seconds. 15 seconds and then bumper at 6 seconds.
So
So-
suppose, ma'am, the video is long. Any
Mm.
feature like trimming the video and all in that? Any kind of thing?
You don't have a trimming option here.
Okay,
No.
okay.
Mm.
So it has to be exactly.
It has to be exactly, yes.
Okay.
So now this is the video I choose because I don't have a 15 seconds and then 6 seconds kind of videos. So let me go with this as of now. Then continue.
Chitra, I have seen few ads wherein you get to.
So what is the bidding strategy again?
Cost
Click per view.
Oh, click
Mhm. Maximum
Per view.
CPV. Okay, so cost per
Okay.
view. Then budget and dates. So how much you want to spend per your daily budget. Like now, whereas if you wants to run a video ads, definitely you have to choose a end date. Okay, it is mandatory. Got it?
Yes.
What's the date today?
20.
Okay, so networks, where your ad appears. One second. So your ad appears in YouTube search result. That means when someone searches in YouTube and when someone watches YouTube videos. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then languages. So select the languages. Then locations. So select select the locations. Then content exclusion. So here is it is very important now. So inventory type, expanded inventory, standard inventory, and limited inventory. Where you don't want to show your ad simply. So always
Okay.
standard inventory is the recommended one. So your ad will be showing in a kind of, it is a kind of restriction where you don't want to show. If I choose this expanded inventory, so my ad will be appearing in all kinds of nonsense videos and all. Okay, there is no kind of restrictions. If I choose this standard inventory, Google will take care of everything. So where to show ad and where not to show. Whereas limited inventory, it is best suitable for the larger scale industries kinds of, so at least a video consisting of bad language also your ad won't appear. Okay, so getting my point now.
So
when I
from
choose
our
this
end,
limit,
so
when I
from our
choose
end,
this, yes.
so no, you told like a bad language, like I didn't get that.
Yes, bad language means the video content which is having some bad language. Now, if I can see Bittir Sati kind of videos, they were using some bad languages, right? So in that kinds of videos also your ad won't appear. So this is what restriction. If you really concentrating on your business, so limited inventory is a more kind of restriction. So your ad won't be reaching out to wide audience. Okay, depends on the video content. Got it now? Getting my point?
Yes.
Yes, read the options here, then you'll understand easily. So compare inventory types. Here it will show you. So in which ad, so what type of the video content and what is the inventory type it is included and excluded. Okay, just go through that once. And then next comes here again. So where are all the things you don't want to show for genders, like a teenage audience, old audience. So for whom you don't want to show, you can just choose those options. The next thing, additional settings. Conversions noted. Devices. So eligible devices, whether you wants to show mobile, tablets or TV screens, you can just show. So frequency capping. What is mean by frequency capping?
The number of times ad appears for a particular
For a
individual
particular individual per day. So
per
how
day.
many times you wants to show. So simply choose that cap impressions frequency. So I just want to show like a 5 times or 4 times per day. Now per day or per week or per month also you can choose. I want to show only 5 times per month for same user. You can just choose it. Okay. Right. The next ad schedule, if you want, you can just schedule the ads also. Name your ad group. Then demographies. So I can select the age and gender of the audience also. So females or males, age groups, parental status, and household income. Choose the things. Then audience. So according to their interest, I can select. So do we know how to select according to the interest? Shoppers, news, media and entertainment, technology and travel. Choose according to their interest wise if you want again. So according to the keywords also. So here normally I don't go with these kinds of keywords. Why? Because I can't guarantee the person whoever having some video content will be consisting of this keyword. I can't guarantee. So I'll be just going with this demography and all. So if you want, you can choose this keywords also in video ads. Then placement. So placement means
Which place we want to show?
where you wants to show. Okay, let me search like Americalo Ammukutti. I was searching for a name called Americalo Ammukutti, so it was showing me the channel. So why it is showing me only this channel? Can anyone guess? So I would like to show my ad in all kinds of videos of her channel. So
Okay.
why got it now? Now in
Yes.
such a way, why
It will
her
show the channel.
channel is channel. So that means whatever the video she has, so in that videos my ad appears.
So we can select popular video creators also.
We can select the video also. Tell
I mean,
me
it should
one
be relevant, right?
famous song. Okay, let me search.
We
like-
don't require any permission
In-
from the channel owner.
That is what I'm asking you. Why that Americalo Ammukutti channel have come?
You searched for the name, that is why.
So it will come again. Now if I search for, so what's your channel name, Sumit? Tech?
Yes, the ADDIC space
Sorry, once again.
TECH space
TECH space.
Maybe they were connected with AdWords.
TECH.
ADDIC.
Probably they have kept it open for Google Ads.
No,
So-
ADDIC.
ADDIC.
ICTV. Yeah.
They are partner with Google.
Google Ads.
Tech,
and
it's
Google Ads.
Chitra. It's tech addicted. You have wrote AWD.
AW.
ADD.
Double D. Oh.
Addicted.
TV.
So
and
D,
remove the
E
D.
also.
Remove D and put V.
Addict.
Addict.
I'll
T
text you
V,
about it.
not E. Not
T-
E
My
in there.
God.
Addict.
So I'm going to choose like this and all, no? Search for any YouTube channel now. Okay, fine. Now in such a way you can
Americano
just in such a way you can just search for these kind of channels and videos. Then you can. So maximum CPV bid, how much you want to spend for each and every view. So 100 rupees. And finally, you need to create that. Again, do remember that if you want to run ads, that video has to be present in your YouTube channel. Okay. So indirectly, you should have some YouTube video or YouTube channel. Okay. So now can you see?
Yes.
Skippable instrument is possible for me and video discovery is possible for me. Why? Because what is the duration of my ad? It's a 36 minutes.
36 minutes.
So now if I go with the skippable, it's fine. Why? Because people can skip that. Can you see? This is how my ad looks like. Got it?
Yes.
The preview. So discovery ad. Can you see? On mobile phone and on desktops. Here.
So is it better we create a separate video for an ad rather than
Definitely. Oh yeah, it is very, very important to create ads. Sorry, videos.
Video for particular for ads.
For particular for ads, yeah. So on that too, if I go and create these kind of ads and no one shows some interest to watch also. So it has to be like interactive and it has to be like a very attractive again. Okay. Let me go with the skippable as of now. Yes.
what should be the length of the video? Any limitations?
So for skippable, there is no limitation. Okay. For non-skippable, it's a 15 seconds video.
Okay.
Okay. And for bumper ads, it is 6 seconds videos. Note it down if you want. And final URL.
Non-skippable is 15 or 10? 15 seconds?
Non-skippable is a 15.
Okay. I think we wrote 10 somewhere in your
Yes,
notepad.
yes, yeah. Again, I changed it to 15. So next here, give a final URL and then call to action. So if you want to give any kinds of call to action like signups and all, you can just give it like. How it appears, your banner ad and skippable option and sign up option. Okay, call to action. If you want to have some headlines, you can have. So automatically the headline is taken as a my YouTube channel name. Okay. Auto generate using your channel banner or upload an image. This is my thumbnail, right? So automatically it is taking my thumbnail. So if you don't want to show this image, if you want to use another image, you can choose it. Simply upload an image. Okay.
Okay.
And then next comes here ad name. So name your ad. So done. My campaign is ready. Easy.
Yeah,
Yes,
bit
ma'am.
of kind of easy.
It's a kind of
Making
easy.
it was a bit difficult.
So you need to get ready with the YouTube video first of all. So if you create the video also, now you don't have option of uploading the video from your desktop. Definitely that has to be hosted in a YouTube channel again. Okay.
Yeah.
So then only you can select it. Right. So this is how you create a video ads to show. Now you know where your ad appears exactly and what are the different kinds of formats are useful for your business. Now let us see how to create a mobile app ads. So tell me, mobile app ads is especially for
Mobiles.
mobiles, where your ad appears.
In particular apps.
Play Store
Yes.
and ads, YouTube video and websites. So where? Mobile phone only. So when you browse any websites on mobile phone, your ad appears. When you browse the YouTube, your ad, this mobile app ad appears. When you open Play Store on your mobile phone, ad appears. Right? When you open any app also, your ad appears. So this is how mobile app ads appears. So what is the bidding type?
CPI.
CPI. Right. Now let us see how we can create this mobile app ads. So first of all, if you want to create a mobile app ads, what do you want?
Create a campaign.
What do you want? You want app?
No, not exactly app.
Okay.
App only,
So
ma'am.
think.
App only.
Yeah.
Tell me which one should I choose?
App promotions, I think.
Create a
Here,
app.
Promotion.
app. Create an app promotion. So select your mobile app platform. So iOS or Android. So select your platform. So let me just choose Android. Now here, look up your app.
App.
Definitely you should have an app. Okay. So
Okay.
And we can select
I
both.
was not sure about my answer.
you can't select both. Oh, club
Without
factor. I
selecting, we
don't
can
want.
go
I don't
continue.
want. Sorry.
Without selecting, we can go continue.
You have to select the app.
Like
Without
it will,
app, how you gonna show
the
the ad, right?
ad will appear in that particular app only, right, ma'am?
Whatever the app you are choosing here, people will redirect to this app.
Play Store.
Got it now?
Okay,
So
right.
earlier we used to give the website address. Now we are giving the app address.
App
Why?
address.
Because when someone click on my ad, they will be redirected to this Play Store to install this app.
Particular app, right?
Right. So for which app you are looking out for having more installations? Okay. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have an app and you are looking out for app promotions. So that means you are looking out to have a lot of installations for your app. So that's the reason only, right? We do run ads for mobile apps, right?
Yeah.
So now whatever the app you are selecting right here, this app you want to promote it. Okay. What else? What app?
Something related to digital.
We don't have an app, right?
Your account.
Would be
Poker.
Tell me some app at least.
Poker app, ma'am. Spartan, the
So
Spartan
again,
poker.
it will take some time to spell it, and again, it will take some time to
Yeah.
understand that spelling. So let me go
Poker
with the
stars.
Mitra. Okay. So I want to promote this app. Got it. Continue. So give a name for your app. Only one app. Only one app. If you want to promote multiple apps, you can just create one more campaign. No?
If that is a scenario, if I say, for example, we choose an Android right now, if we want to want our ad to appear in iPhone users as well, so we need to create one more campaign.
One more campaign. Yes.
Okay. Like that particular link will lead us to either Android or either iOS.
Sorry.
Means that particular ad will lead us to either Android or either iOS. It cannot lead to Android and iOS at a time, right? That is the reason, I guess.
So now again depends on here what is the platform I choose. It's an Android app. Okay. So again, if you want, you can select the devices also. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You can select the devices again. Choose locations. If you want, you can choose the locations and choose language, and then bidding for how much you want to bid daily. Then bidding. So I am concentrating on install.
Volume.
Okay. So what is the amount you want to pay for each and every install?
Okay.
And then starting and end dates. Choose some starting and end dates. So ad group. Here comes the ad group. Give a name for your ad group. So here comes the ad assets. So give a headlines, up to 5 headlines you can use. limited offer. Okay, so use some descriptions.
Sure, even you run like this. Sure, have an online store, ma'am.
Sure, have a
Online store, like even he sells like Insta
he
fashion is there.
created a website.
Yeah,
Very good. We have an app, Ashur.
no. You only have a website. So while doing search network, we did on his Insta fashion.
Search. Good.
We are creating an ad for Myntra, or
For Myntra, we are
Myntra.
creating ads.
if we want to create an ad for DigiCodes, then we need
I
to
should have
an
an app. App is required. App is
This one
mandatory.
is app ads, mobile app ads.
So now here I just choose to some headlines and then what is that? Headlines and descriptions. If you want, you can have it. Okay, fine.
If
Now
you
can you
don't
see
have
the
an app, then
preview?
it's no use.
Use. So what is the point of creating a mobile app? It's to promote your app. If you don't even have an app, then why do we choose this network? So now can you see here? This is how it appears in different kinds of websites and all. And your ad appears in SCRP also, right? Searches. When someone searches, this is how your ad appears. Can you see the preview? And on YouTube, this is how your ad appears. Have you ever noticed these kind of ads?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
many, so many.
Google Play Store. Right. So Google Play Store and display means in the website, search means in SCRP, YouTube. Got it. So in such a way, if you want, you can have a videos as well. Now, did you understand where your ad appears now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So fine. Save and continue. So congratulations, your campaign is ready.
Campaign is ready.
So Myntra online shopping app. So continue to campaign. So that easy it is. So now I already told you, if you